Welcome to this Lightburn Layers tutorial. This guide will walk you through the essentials of using layers in Lightburn. Layers in Lightburn allows you to control the settings for different parts of your design independently. This includes power, speed, the number of passes, and cut order. When starting a new project, think about the different types of operations you need. For example, some elements may need to be outlined, cut out, engraved, etc. Once your design is ready, assign each part to a different layer by selecting a colour from the palette at the bottom of the Lightburn workspace. Each colour represents a separate layer, allowing you to control the settings independently. For each layer, adjust the power and speed to match the material you're using. Set the number of passes if needed, and define the cut to order to optimize the laser path. Before sending your project to the laser, it's a good idea to preview the job in Lightburn. And that's it! You're now ready to use layers in Lightburn like a pro. With practice, you'll be able to take full advantage of this powerful feature, saving time and producing high-quality results every time.